girl. Hey, Cinnamon. Look, what is that? What is that? Yeah. Alright, so it's going to take some time to teach these pups how to use this thing. They've never seen one before. But where I live, and it gets
Marky. Ito takot sa tubig eh. Anong baby ka, no? Lagi ang pinapaliguan mo. Kaya takot sa tubig eh. Marahal sa'yo magpapaligo sa'yo. Magpapakama sa ng baby.
Good job. You know where to step. Good boy. Not there. You know where to step. You're getting it. Good job. You can stop it. It doesn't matter how tight I've tried to make this. I've used pliers and tape and everything. It does not matter. This thing's gonna go wild in a second here. Yep. So it's a cute idea. But what the
Look. Eat this. Get it. Thirsty?
Come on, get it! Get it! Get it! Happy early birthday! It's your 5th birthday! Good girl! Good girl, Raina.
Notice no dogs around it. They play with it. It spurts every now and then it gets stuck. So it's like a really bad.
Here, hold on.